All right, boys and girls, we are going to take a look at some new words this week, and they have either the long O, like oak leaf, or the long U, like uniform. So when we think of our sound spelling chart, this is where we're going to look for those sound spellings. So right here we have the first word right here is broke. Then we have toast, cute, rescue. What you're going to do right now is you are going to take your word work notebook and you are going to draw a chart that looks like this. Long O, long U. Draw your T-charts and get ready to sort some words. All right, now you are going to take a look at the words that I put on the bottom and you are going to sort them. This first word is unit, locate, coach, few, slowly, cube, thrown, fuel. I want you to pay attention to each word. Did I make the O like oak leaf or U like uniform? All right, so I put this oak leaf up here and the uniform up here to help you as you are reading each word to sort it. I want you to pause this video and sort the words. Once you have sorted the words, you can unpause the video to see if you are correct. Go ahead and pause now. All right, take a look at the words. Were you right? Once you are done with your sort, put your name at the top of your paper. Make sure your name's at the top of your paper. Then you are going to rip out this piece of paper and put it in your teacher's turn-in bin. The turn-in bin is on her desk, on Mrs. Doheny's desk, with a post-it that says turn in bin. Make sure you turn it in so that you can get credit for your work. Now you need your word study book. Open up to this page right here. You are going to read your long O and your long U words. First, it says underline the long O and long U spelling. The different spellings are on the top of your page. Then go through and practice reading them. Read the top half first, and once you have done that, read the bottom half.